This is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can check the authenticity of this device. So first step is to take your tablet and the packaging it came inside, or the box from this tablet. Then launch settings, open about tablet category, and in here go for the model. At the model and hardware page, you can see that it has the serial number. So now you gotta take your packaging that it came in. The packaging should have the following sticker that provides you with some specifications and email numbers, certifications and what's not. But the thing that we are interested in is the serial number right over there. So from here, you will need to compare the SN or serial number that is written at the sticker with the one that you have in your hardware specifications inside the system. And if they correspond, which in my case is true, you can no longer worry and be 100% sure that your tablet is indeed original and is not fake. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.